Okay, it's Friday, and today we're not going to order food. We're going to make some homemade Jamaican Jerk Lo Mein. And today we're going to do that with a special spice we got here from Truly Delicious Jamaican Jerk seasoning. So we got this here. We got some pre-cooked pasta there. And here's the secret, guys. You want to cook your pasta with some mushroom sauce, and it comes out pretty dark and ready. Alright, so we got that. We dumped everything in a saucepan here, and look at that. Look at that Jamaican Jerk Lo Mein. Ready to go. I think it's delicious. So we got some carrots in there, some peppers, and there's a twist in there, guys. We got some fish in there as well, and some mushrooms. So it's a combination. I think it's gonna be great. Let's see. Looks good to me. What do you think? Let me know how you feel, man. I'll send you a package.